Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality pro video for a main board for LG Plasma TV that was sent to here with a note that the antenna was not working, and to check the HDMIs. HDMI 2, I believe is what this one is, was broken. It was off the board totally. The connector was missing. It got replaced and reinforced on the side, as you can see, and we did reinforce the one that is above it. I believe this is HDMI 3, this is HDMI 1. All three ports work now. Only this one is connected, and I will show it. And this is the antenna that is currently connected to the TV. And this is what it got, I think, 25 channels. And we don't have a very good reception. Most of the channels that are got inside here, the suite, are in Spanish. But with antenna closer to the outside, we got 25. And again, not very stable, but we got the exact same with our testing board for the same TV. So I assume there is just nothing wrong with it. As far as the HDMI, currently this one is connected. Let's see what we will get out of it. Input, go to HDMI, and this is our media player. Again, the same thing was tested on, this is the media player on the floor. The same thing is happening on the other two HDMI ports. I was hoping not to have to show that, and I don't really have to, but okay, let's see. Input. And this is HDMI 3, same thing. And the one on the back, which is HDMI 1, I don't really think it was used, but if I so and so start it, let's finish it. Connect and go top. Input HDMI 1, and there you go. And then again, go back to TV. There you go. As you can see, those scattered pixelation is a result of not very good reception, but it still is getting different channels. And that is all. This is your board. Thank you very much, and we'll be shipping it back.